This video will show you how you can backup all the photos and videos inside Google Photos to an external hard drive. So to do this, you'll first need to download everything to your computer and then move it to a hard drive. Unfortunately, Google Photos doesn't really give you an option to download everything inside Google Photos. For this, you will need to open a new tab and then search for Google Takeout. Now click on the first link. Now here you will need to select this deselect all option. Now scroll all the way down and then find Google Photos on the list and then select it. Now scroll all the way down to the end of the page and then click on next step. Now here it will say send download link via email, so simply select that and then select export once. Finally click on this file size menu and then select 10 GB from here and then select create export. Now simply wait for Google Photos to export a copy of all your data. Once the export is complete, you should receive an email like this. Here you can simply use this downloads button to download all your Google Photos data. Once you have downloaded everything, you can then move it to an external drive or any other storage device that you use. So this is how you can easily move your entire Google Photos library to an external hard drive. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.